What are you eating? Banana?
Nana.
Nana?
Nana.
What do you say? What do you say? Hi. You want more bananas? Please, thank you.
Haul it out to the ranch.
Say thank you, Mama.
Trying to figure out what I may just come to your place first and get the checks. That way I don't have to pull into your place with a loaded trailer. That'd be hard to get out.
Yum, yum. Is that good banana? Hmm? You say banana again? Banana?
Big.
Okay. Yeah.
Please?
I'll
Thank you for saying please.
I'll see you after a little while. Bye-bye.
Go.
Is that good stuff?